A new maternal health forum will be coming to our region to talk all about prenatal and postpartum health. Dr. Schetzina and Kristina Dulaney are here to talk all about the event. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Kristina, you've been on the show several times before just talking about the importance of a mom's health, both prenatal, postpartum, everything like that.
Absolutely.
Tell me a little bit about how this kind of health forum started, how this came about.
Absolutely. So Jillian Reese, who's the director of the Carter County Drug Prevention Coalition, hopefully I said that right, she brought like-minded individuals together to create this forum, and it kind of birthed itself into this amazing event to discuss prenatal care, postpartum care, and all these different important things for moms and maternal health. So that's what we're here to talk about, and hopefully get attention of providers, nurses, social workers, everyone that might deal with moms or come across moms in their line of work here locally or in Knoxville, Nashville, that can drive here or stay overnight. We can help accommodate that. So that's kind of how it got started into this beautiful conference that it's really going to be amazing.
Yeah, it really does sound great. And Dr. Schetzina, you were actually one of the speakers at the forum. Tell me a little bit about your involvement and what people can expect when they come to the forum.
Well, I think this is such an important topic, and I often, as a healthcare professional, have to fly 5 hours on a plane in order to receive the quality of education that's going to be offered at this conference, and I like to stay up to date on the latest evidence and best practices. So some of the topics that will be covered, physical health and well-being, as well as behavioral health or mental health issues. One thing that we've seen in this country and in our region is a rise in the risk of death for women during pregnancy and around and after childbirth. And so that's a real concern. One of the topics that'll be covered is what we call preconceptual health. So how do you ensure that a woman is as healthy as possible before she starts thinking about getting pregnant and having a child? Other topics that will be discussed, things like depression and anxiety that are really important. Nutrition, breastfeeding. The first week of August is actually World Breastfeeding Week, and we know how beneficial breastfeeding is for the health of both babies and mothers.
Right, and so many different topics, a wide range of topics, and you guys have several speakers coming to the event as well, besides yourself.
We do. We actually have nationally prominent speakers coming from the University of Michigan, as well as the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and the many from around the region.
That's wonderful. And this is such an important topic that you guys have seen truly a need here in the area, right, Kristina?
Absolutely. Personally, I've seen a need because when I experienced and came here, there were not many resources for postpartum moms. So I just felt the need to get myself involved and expand that. It's very exciting to see so many individuals coming together, organizations starting and happening here and statewide.
That can help with this.
Absolutely.
And this really is so important. And if people are interested, or they maybe know someone that would be interested in coming, how can they sign up? And it's only $50 to attend, right?
Absolutely. And that is a bargain for the continuing education credit they can have.
Right.
Because usually it would be over $100.
Right.
So they can go
and we have the website.
They can go to the registration link on ETSU and search for the Latched On to Maternal Health Conference, and it's the Northeast Tennessee Maternal Health Forum.
Perfect.
And
there's still time for people to sign up.
Absolutely.
And I apologize, we don't have the link, but we will have it on our website. But there's the number that you can call if you are interested, and we will get that website to everyone who are interested. Ladies, thank you so much for being here talking about such an important topic,
Thank you
especially
so
right
much.
now in our community.
Thank you.